a transformational community for lifestyle mastery. What is that? Well, hey, this is a big update today. Going on 21 years of my life have been dedicated to building the most amazing educational system. Literally helped thousands of people around the world with our Get It Done Now system, utilizing a process that we have, which is getting your mission and vision done, being able to have your goals, projects, and tasks in place, and then understanding this process. It's helping a lot of small businesses, organizations, people really create alignment and live a life of their dreams and master their life. That's what we've been doing. Well, as you know, we've been working hard on the educational system, and it's there. I'm working on my 5th book right now, which is the whole process, but we've been teaching it with 6,000, going on 6,000 episodes. We're at 5,900 right now in 21 years. So why am I so excited in sharing that with you? Because in my 21 years, the transformational community aspect has been the part of it that has been missing. I've worked with literally thousands of people over the years who have had tremendous success, from pro golfers to stay-at-home moms that have been on Shark Tank. So many amazing people, to engineers, all different walks of life. And you know, marketing, that's always a problem because they say, oh, you gotta be niche. No, there is nobody that can't take our systems and grow with them. And we've got amazing people just as yourself. So this community aspect has always been something that has been tough for us. We've had great communities over the years. We've had 1,231 members in MorningCoach at times. Right now we're close to 400, I think, total. And the community aspect is where so much value is, not in our teaching and our structure. It's great. The educational process is awesome, but the community is awesome. So we are launching a new system. And so this update is huge. And at the end of this, when I get done here, we're going to go upstairs and go in the community. I'm going to show you how amazing this system is. Just so you know, we've been working 21 years. We have 17 systems, whether it's membership.io, Kajabi, all the different systems we use, PayPal, Stripe, then we have Transpond and Capsule. And I mean, we've got so many different systems. So we have invested heavily in our new system, and we're moving. So we're going to be moving. And this is so exciting because everything's in one place. But what I think the most important thing is the community aspect is the most powerful thing that we've ever built. It's going to be amazing. So I wasn't even going to announce this until we got our mobile apps. But we got to move people in the system. We're moving all of our payments. Everything's coming in. So everything you'll see in a minute is in one area. Our course, which is the annual plan and reset that many people are doing. Module 3 is coming out December 15th. That is in there too. Like, we've had our courses in one area. We've had our CoachCasts in another area, all these CoachCasts. So now we're bringing everything into one area. And even our events. This is what's crazy. Everything's going to be there. We've got mobile apps coming, but some important dates. Let's talk about this. December 1st through 6th, we're moving everybody in. So this week, you're going to get an email on moving into the system, depending on what level you are at. If you're a Discover member, you're going to get access to that level. If you're a Freedom member, you're going to get access. And then obviously there's some add-ons, our companion software, and then our Ignite group. You're going to get your information. You're going to get that in an email. You're going to get moved in. Okay, I would love you to go into the area. I'll show it to you in a minute here and just introduce yourself. We are in this long term. Like, this is a complete system. We're getting rid of 17 systems and we're coming into one, which is just magical. Okay, by December 14th, we will have all of our content in the new system, meaning you won't use your RSS feed to listen to the CoachCast. There will be a brand new structure. You'll see it in a minute. You'll get a new RSS feed if you need one. A lot of people are just going to use the mobile apps, but if you need one, we'll have one. But the whole complete system will be, everybody will be completely in, and I'll be canceling all those other 17. We'll be using one system for our CRM, our emails, everything, our coaching structure. Okay, December 15th, important date, Module 3 launches. So you can be working on Module 1 and Module 2. It's in the system. So if you've already done some work on that, it's okay. We've got a new system, so you'll come in there and you can just kind of rehash it. It's important anyways. So Module 1 and Module 2. Also, the ILD, Intelligent Life Design, the course I do for $2,000 a year, is already in there. The basic structure, the foundation is in there. We're going to be moving things over. Important to understand, we're not going to do a ton of changes to what you're going to see in a minute. because we're applying for our mobile apps. Okay, so these are native apps. These are not web-based apps. These are native apps that work specifically with our systems that we're having developed. And we've got an Apple and a Google Play app coming that are just amazing because of the community aspect. As you know, I have left all social media. It's negative, the ads. I don't even do much YouTube. I'm putting this up on YouTube because it's easier for me to share. But I'm working with my community. My mission obviously is to work with 800 wonderful people. We've got that group going, and that's where I'm at. Like, I'm at a point in my life where I'm building a place in Columbia on the ocean, got the retreat center here in Chicago, live in Florida. I don't need anything else. So I'm building community. Right now, it's time to give. It's time to work with my group. And so that community structure is so important. You're going to see it in a minute, how awesome it is. So it just aligns with my mission to give me the ability to work with this community that we haven't had before. We've always had it separate. Now everything's together. So these apps are going to bring it together, and I won't ever be on social media ever again. There's no reason to be anywhere where the public is. I just don't want to be there. I want to be with successful people that are doing amazing things that are in this community, And so there's no ads. There's nothing that's, there's no distraction. It's 100% helping people give a hand up, move them forward, or it's helping them get through something tough, or it's coming together and making a difference. And you're going to see how powerful that is in a minute with this community. Okay, so December, we don't know exactly when that's going to happen. Apple is takes the longest. So as soon as Apple lets us know, you'll be able to download your mobile app for Apple and Google Play, and we're ready to go. That gives us 2026 to be the best year ever. This is the best community ever established. I have no doubt about that. I know everybody in the community, and it's amazing. We're going to just do amazing things in 2026. So just some important dates. We're moving everybody in. So there may be a couple of issues there. The new system's awesome, but you might have a couple of issues there. We're going to be, again, waiting to be adding a lot of stuff because everything's there fundamentally. The CoachCasts, you're going to see all that in a minute. But we're going to be adding more stuff to it. Once we get approval from Apple and Google, you got to have a base structure. So we're moving everybody in. So you're going to see everybody in there, people. It's going to be awesome. December 14th, again, in our events, you're going to see this in a minute. Awesome stuff. December 14th, everybody will be in the new system. Everything will be gone. You won't be listening to CoachCasts in the old systems. MorningCoach.com is completely in member.morningcoach.com. That's what it is, membership.morningcoach.com, okay? December 15th, we launch Module 3. So those of you that are working on your annual plan, Module 3, Module 4, Module 5 come right into the new year, which is just going to really have you structured properly. And then the Apple and Google apps will be coming. We'll make that announcement. You'll get an email, and you'll see that happening. So it's definitely a transformational community for lifestyle mastery. That's what we're doing together, and it's really exciting. So without further ado, let's go jump in the computer. Let's take a look at what's going on this week so you know what's happening. The CoachCasts this week are off the charts too, by the way, because we're in our planning session. So I know this is my update video. When we get upstairs and we go into the computer, I will show you this week too, because I know it's the update video. I'm so excited about this structure that, yes, the educational component is just getting better and better. There's nothing better out there. I'm just telling you, it's awesome. So let's go jump in the computer and go over the new system that you will be getting this week, web-based, and over the next couple weeks, as soon as we get the apps, you'll be able to get the mobile apps. All right, let's go do this thing. Okay, welcome to the computer. This is the new Morning Coach. As you can see down the side, we have our feed, which just allows us to see everything that's going on. Really important. You're going to see the events that are coming up. Everything is within this system. Okay, and you can see Jurgen's posting here on Sunday, which is great. And when you open it up, you can comment. And what's so cool is you can do so much in here. You can add all this stuff, files, everything, so we can have everything in one place, videos, PDFs. This button here will allow you to hashtag it to certain other things. We can attach files to it. Again, you can attach a video. You can upload video. Our mobile app's going to be allowing you to create videos and upload them. You can add a GIF, which is new and cool stuff. Some people love that. You can add an image. You can add an emoji. You can also add a voice message, which I will be doing a lot. You can like the post, comment, and the thread will be down below the comment. You can also bookmark the comment bookmark the content if you want to. Okay, so that's our community. So up here, you're going to see on this left side, you have all the navigation and everything. You also have some navigation across the top where you have your courses, events, our member directory, and our leaderboard. Some of these you may not see this week because we're completing them right now. Up here on the right, you have direct messages, which are great. You can send messages back and forth. You also have your chat threads, which are really cool, and that's what your threads that you're in. And you can also bookmark here, and these are your bookmarks, things that you have bookmarked. You have a notifications bell, and we will go into this as we get into some of the tutorials. As we get the apps, we can send notification apps to the apps, and we want to make sure we're sending what you want. Whether it's email or notifications, really important part of a community structure. Again, you have everything in one area, your billing, your password authentications, your notifications. You can edit your profile. You can view your profile. Everything in one place. This is something we haven't had in years. Super excited about it. Okay, so as you go down the left side, you're going to see the announcements area, the community lounge. The community lounge is separated by areas. So these are posts that will be based on different discussions. So you can see here's daily motivation, wins, and as you scroll down, we'll be adding more and more as we're adding more stuff. And that way you can track all your posts and be organized in the community lounge by that. Again, the mobile apps will work very similar. We'll be announcing those in the next couple of weeks. We have a community chat. This is a chat. You can see who's online. We'll be bringing people in this week, and you can talk. Same thing. You can add all kinds of stuff. I'll be using this a lot just to say good morning and how are you doing and what's happening with things. As you can see, we put a lot of time into this. All of the meetups will be here for the community. As you can see, we have an annual plan and reset office hours. What you do is you click this, and then all you have to do is connect, say you're going. You can put it on your calendar. Everything will be here. You can actually comment on it, and then you'll show up. It will be in this system. Everything is in this system. The recording will be here. This one is actually for Asia and Australia, and it's 6 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So everything you can see it's I'm in Central, so it changes to Central. You can see the date and the time. Again, you can bookmark the events. Everything is here, okay? Then as we get into Freedom, this is for those of you that are Freedom memberships. This is where you're going to get your CoachCast. Again, CoachCasts are organized by category up top. So if you need a kick in the butt, you can just click here, and it's going to give you some of the CoachCasts that are kicking the butt. Let's go, motivational CoachCasts. What's beautiful about this is it's got everything here. Again, you can bookmark the ones you want. You can listen and speed it up any amount of time that you want to speed it up. And you just push play here. There is a summary of the day. And then as we come into it, you're going to have your key takeaways, the questions on the daily coaching. You can heart it like always, or you can comment. So everybody's going to be commenting and talking, especially when we get the mobile apps. Everything is going to be here. We do have an RSS feed for some of those that have been with me for years that do want to get the RSS feed. Just email us when we move you in. We'll give you that private RSS feed. But it's awesome. And again, you can add all kinds of stuff and discussions. And so we can have daily discussions on our daily coaching, which we've never had. And then you can find past episodes here. The other thing is we do have an archive with 1,500 of our CoachCasts in there. This is plenty. If you do want something in the past, just let us know. But that way, if you want to come in and search for something and listen to something in the past, it is there. For those of you in the companion, we now have a companion area where we'll be talking about this, the software. And again, all of our meetings are in a specific area. So those of you that are doing the companion software, you have the ability to see we have a meeting coming in 2 weeks. You just click on this and you can put it on your calendar and you're going to know when everything is. Again, if you come across up top, you're able to also see the events here, okay, which is awesome. If we come home again, Ignite, our Ignite group, same thing. We have a place to talk and we have our events here, which we'll be scheduling out. You have everything there. Those of you in Discovery who do our weekly CoachCast, it is here. You can see same thing. You click on it. You have your Monday CoachCast and your compass. Again, same thing with Freedom. The compass is here. You just click that, and that is going to open your compass, which gives you your daily PDF, okay? So that's at the bottom. You just have to scroll down once you open up. Oh, and very important, on all of our coaching, if you click more info, that is where the transcript is. So you have the transcript. So again, if I come into Freedom, which most people are, and they're doing your daily, and you want to read the transcript, it is here. So the transcript is in here, and you can get the transcript on a daily basis. That way it's there every day that we put it up. So you're good to go with that, which is exciting. Okay, so everything is in here. Everything is ready to go. As far as everything that's working, we're going to be bringing everybody into the new system as we move forward. All right, let's keep going. Down here, we have Discovery. I just mentioned that. There is an archive for Discovery, same thing as Freedom. And there is a lounge for people to discuss things. Now, very important, resource library. This is where you're going to get your planner. You can listen to some special things like my lost tape with Dr. Wayne Dyer. The planner's here. We have the quick start guide. This is really cool. And you just click on it, and then you can just download it if you want to leave a comment or need something. We're going to wait, as I mentioned, for our mobile apps. This will be full of everything. We have the grayscale planner right now. We have the 2026 color planner here. We're going to be putting the move and the grayscale planner in here tomorrow. So those will be in here as you start coming in. We also have a video tutorials area. This is basic tutorials where you can come, like, learn about the remarkable move and some other things that we're doing, like the Hemingway Bridge, if you want to learn that. Now, what's really awesome is our coaches, our courses and workshops are now in here. So if you go to the courses, and if you come in here, you'll see this is our annual plan and reset. So now it is in here. I'm just going to view it so you can see it. And all the stuff is down here. December 15th, we'll be launching the next modules. And you can work through each of the courses right here in the same system. Everything is in the same place. Same thing with ILD. ILD is here. So you can see that is down here, Intelligent Life Design. I will just show you some of the lessons here. So let's talk about, let's just go into the ILD spreadsheet. If you view this, you're going to be able to see here is the different ideas and thoughts in ILD, and you're able to get that all again in one area. So everything is in the same spot. Everything is here. It'll work on mobile once we get the mobile devices. There are some links here. If you need to contact support, you can connect to support. You can open up the schedule, which is here. You can go to the book study library. We do have downloads for the apps. Do not download these yet because these are just base apps. We have our own personal apps coming that will be coming. I can go live if I click this. I can start a live event, live stream, so we can be doing a lot of stuff with our events, which are going to be awesome. Again, a very simple system, very intuitive to use. Everything in one place. Everything, all you do is click home, come to your feed, and you can see all the latest trending posts, things that are happening, things that are going on, and we can start engaging as the community really, really starts to rock and roll. So I appreciate you. This is the most exciting thing we've done in 21 years. Obviously, a lot of investment and time. We are excited. So let's jump out of the computer and ready for this update. Oh, and by the way, this week is a big week here at Morning Coach. We've got a lot of good things as we're getting ready to start our planning and reset, and you will be able to get in here and get all that information this week. All right, let's jump out of the computer. Okay, thanks for watching it, and thanks for making my dream come true. This is our dream. This is about community, and that's what I've dreamt about forever. I've really wanted to put together people to make a difference in each other's lives, and that's what we're doing. It truly is a transformational community for lifestyle mastery. This isn't just about motivation. It's just not about getting things done. It's about connecting and really helping each other have our best lives and live our best lives. So I'm excited you're with me on this journey. Let's do it to it, and I can't wait to see you in the new system this week.